Welcome back to the channel. I'm Roderick. This is Rants About Tech, and today I'm going to be talking about more handwriting stuff. So the last video I did, I talked about some experiences I've had with handwriting devices as far as eInk goes, and how my experience with the Apple Newton, which to me is the best device for that ever made. And I'm hoping that something comes out that's better than, if not as good as that. I'm going to talk about my experience with just pen and paper, how I definitely like that feel, just writing on paper. It's one of the things I'm looking forward to the most when I'm trying these new devices. And today I'm going to be unboxing the reMarkable 2 from, who makes this thing? Oh, they don't say the name of the company on here. They made this in Norway. Oh man, okay, it's a Norwegian company. Oh no, it is the reMarkable company. All right, here we go, let's try it again. And it's supposed to be akin to writing on paper with pencil. So I'm definitely looking forward to that experience because, like I said in my last video, I am not a typer whatsoever. I'm definitely a pecker. That didn't sound good, but still, you get the point. I'm super excited from the prospect of writing my notes down and not having to rewrite them and then rewrite the rewrite and then edit the rewrite and then rewrite the edit. You know what I'm talking about. You've been there before if you've written with pen and paper or pencil before. I think these are things that everyone could use and benefit from the time savings for sure. So as long as the experience with editing is good, like I'm pretty sure the handwriting experience is good because people rave about this device. I've done tons of research on it. Sleepless nights abound. For sure. So I'm pretty sure it's a good writing experience. I don't question that. What I'm questioning is whether it's a good editing experience, whether they have powerful editing tools, whether they have intuitive editing tools, what are their note-taking templates like? Those are the things that I'm really concerned about. Like, what are the bulleted lists like? You know what I'm saying? What's the check list like? The checkbox list like? What do they call the checkbox list? They're not called checkbox lists. Oh, you know what I'm talking about? The checkboxes and the lists. Like, what is that experience like? Can you put a checkbox in the box once you make one? Does it go away once it's checked? Or does it gray out to let you know you did something? Something was here, you did it, now we're graying it out to let you know, congratulations, you completed something. I need to know these things. I don't know that because no one's shown me. So maybe they don't have that. And that's the reason no one's shown me. I need to know these things. So I'm gonna just dive into this thing and figure out all of that stuff and do a full comprehensive note-taking review. Like, a serious note taker would be proud of the review that I'm going to do on this thing. So stay tuned for that. All right, so let's jump right into the unboxing. Hold on, first let's take a look at my Mead notebook before we continue on. It deserves a little bit of attention. This notebook has served me well for at least 7 to 8 years. I'm telling you, you can't beat this thing. It's a 3-ring binder that you can flip backwards. Okay, I'm sorry. My bad. We'll get to the unboxing. All right, so here we have the actual tablet itself, and I'm not good at taking plastic off, so if this wasn't recorded, I'd probably be using my teeth. Let's find a knife. And we're back like we never left with a dangerous instrument. All right, so let's open this thing up here. I almost cut myself, truth be told. I'll mute that out, but I'm dangerous with a knife, and not in a good way. All right. Let's just put the knife down and just tear our way out of this one because it got dangerous real quick. All right, so we're taking the plastic off. Throw that over there. Get this knife out of here for things do happen. Whew. All right, I'm a big package person, so if the packaging is good, that bodes well for what's inside in my experience. So I like how they're doing the paper out here. It looks really cool. Looks like some bleached paper that they recycled. Let's see if it's recycled. It says recycle as paper, but it didn't say it's recycled paper. They tried to trick me. Better luck next time. So let's go ahead and tear this off. It says tear it, but we're going to bring out the knife again. Very cautiously, because stuff. Okay, we're not going to do that either. Okay, we're going to cut it through here. That might be a better way to go about it. That wasn't a better way to go about it. I ruined that. My bad. All right, let's take this out of here. All right, and we're left with this black-like folder thing here. Oh, I'm digging it. I am digging it. Listen, when people know how to do a presentation, you get kudos from me. Big kudos to reMarkable, okay? Already. Sight unseen. I know it's going to be great. All right, here we go. We're flipping this. Oh, I knew it. I knew it was going to be great. All right, so we got documentation over here. Let's look at this first, because I want to know if it's actually something that says something real. A quick guide. I might need that quick start guide. This is actually useful information here. So we'll put that to the side. This right here is what is this? Oh, this is the USB cable, C to A. All right, and here is the device. Let's go ahead and take this out of here. Sit that right there. Put this to the side over here. All right, so I like the paper. They got it wrapped in. It's not plastic, it's paper. Listen, I love that. I absolutely love that. They got the paper on here and it looks really good. Let's see if you can get the ASMR with this. Oh, got a turret. That's the worst ASMR ever. Oh, is it meant to be torn? Because, oh, it's not. You're just supposed to slide it out. Oh, is this the front or the back? Okay. Oh, that's the back. All right. I like this. I like how they did this right here. This is cool. I got glare right here. Maybe we just move over here to get rid of that glare. There we go. Through the beauty of editing and cropping, we'll see if we can get this centered for you. Okay. All right, so we have, matter of fact, we can just put this on this side to even this little panel out here. Awesome. All right, so first impressions, it looks really nice. I mean, it looks really nice. It's like a gray aluminum metal on the side right here. Seeing the pictures, it looks, I don't know, almost plasticky, but it is most definitely not. It's like an aluminum, almost a gunmetal. I like that they got that little power button right there. Ooh, there it is. They got a power button right here, and on the same spine on the bottom side, they have almost the same dimension. It might be the same dimension. They have a USB C input. That's just thoughtful design right there, and you gotta appreciate that when you see it. Just looking at the screen right now, if this is the screen, it looks cool. I'm not sure if this is how it looks when you write on it, but if it is, it definitely looks cool. I like that. And there's a slight white frame around it that's kind of cool too. I don't know, it's framed really well. The surface that you write on is like the same color as the frame, so it just kind of blends really nicely with a slight border. It's really cool. I like the aesthetic. And the back looks to be the same color as the front as well, so they got that's really cohesive. I really like the way they did that. This is a beautiful piece of kit right here, I gotta say. I mean, I would feel cool just walking down the street with this. No cap. All right, let's get rid of this stuff, put it to the side, and we'll open the pen and then take a look. All right, now that we've gotten rid of that stuff, we can put this to the side and take a look at the pen. Is that glaring still? No, let's put you over here. There we go. All right, so we'll use our knife again to get into this thing. Now that I know how to do it, I think we're good. I think you can trust me with this knife right now. Do you feel like you can trust me with this knife right now? If you do, you shouldn't. Your trust is misplaced. All right, let's see here. No, we don't have to do that. Oh, that's cool. It's a little flap right. Man, how cool was it that I opened it at the right end? I literally am never good at opening things at the right end. I typically always open them at the wrong end, and then bad things happen. So I happened to open it in the end that had the actual pull on it. All right, this little pull right here is pretty cool. And like I said, I just happened to open it up at the right end, and you pull it out. I love that. Listen, packaging is everything, okay? Packaging is everything. Okay, so we have a pen here. It's white. Does it match the other paper? No, it doesn't. And it feels like chalk that doesn't get on your fingers, but it most definitely feels like a stick of chalk. I don't know if I like it or not. definitely different. It's a different vibe. Definitely a different vibe. All right. What else we got here? Marker tips. So I guess this is called the marker. Let's take a look at this marker. They got tips in here. I don't even know how to get to them because they're behind some paper. It might help if I just slid it out. All right, so we got these extra tips here. We got 9 tips. Extra ones. I guess they run out pretty quickly. And this card that they have the tips on feels good. Listen, they did everything to a T. I ain't gonna lie to you. They care about presentation over there at reMarkable. First impressions. I think it looks awesome. I think if it does half of what they say it does, I'll be happy with it. But it does look awesome. It feels awesome. The back is... Okay, so it looks like it has a metal frame with a plastic back, and oh no, this front is glass for sure. It looks like that front's glass. The back is plastic. It looks like, maybe, yeah. It's hard to even, yeah, it's definitely a plastic in the back, but the frame is metal and the front is glass, it feels like. I'm gonna definitely get into this thing. This is just an unboxing and to give you my first impressions of how this thing looks. But I'm definitely gonna dive into this piece of tech, and hopefully it, I don't know, hopefully it does what I hope it does. If that makes any sense at all. Because I'm just looking for something to keep notes and to keep them all in one spot, right? And to be able to write instead of type, and be able to turn my handwriting into text if I need to process it further for other people. So game changer if it does. I mean, seriously, life changer. Game and life changer. The game of life changer if it does. Okay, so all right, I'll let you know, okay? We'll get back to you and fill you in on that, and stay tuned for more. I'm going to be unboxing the books. Oh, the books tab mini. The books do come. The books will come. So we're going to do the books as well, so stay tuned for that. And like if you like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll check you guys out soon. Take care.